Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. My name is Ayaz Zafar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up WordPress in Hostinger cPanel. So before we begin, please make sure that you already have subscribed to my YouTube channel and clicked on the bell icon so that you get all of the notifications from my YouTube videos. So let's begin. So I assume that you already have your domain name linked with your hosting. So after that, if you have your package available for the hosting, you just need to click on the manage button here, and in the manage you can install your WordPress. At this time, on this domain, WordPress is already installed, as you can see. So you can see it is already installed. So instead of using the main domain, I will create a subdomain on this domain, and then I will install WordPress on that subdomain. So let's try that. So find the subdomain button somewhere below, maybe. Okay, here it is. So click on the subdomain, and here you can type any subdomain that you want, for example, demo, and click on the create. Our subdomain has been created successfully, and now so now this is the domain. If you open it, it will just show a default landing page from the hostinger. So now we need to install the WordPress on this subdomain. Now let's go back in the home, and again click on the manage, and now let's find the WordPress. Okay. So in the website section, we have the auto installer option. Click on the WordPress select button, and here you have option to select the domains where you want to install the WordPress. So here you can see that which protocol you want to use. If you want to use HTTPS, if you want to install the SSL certificate as well out of the box, just select the HTTPS, and then select the domain name that you want to use. And here you can type the name of your website. Okay, and next, here you can type the username password for your WordPress admin. I will type demo, and in the password I will type demo again. And here you need to provide the so this is the admin email for the WP admin. This is the WP admin username, and this is the password. And here you need to provide the title, and here you can select the WordPress version that you want to use. So if I click the change button, and now it is loading the versions. So here you can see all of the versions. So I want to install the latest one, so select this one. And now here you have two options. Either you can select an existing database, or you can create a new database, and here you need to select the database password. Here it is telling you that for this you need 55 MB required disk space, and this should be the minimum and maximum version of the PHP, and minimum version of MySQL should be 5, and there is a green tick. That means it is matching their requirements. So here these are the option. If you select this option, then update only to minor version, so it will automatically update in some cases. And if you select this one, it will always update to the latest version whenever new version comes of the WordPress. So if you don't want to automatically update, you can just turn it off. So it's up to you. Now you are ready to click on the install button. uh, I selected very easy password. That is why is saying this error. I highly recommend you to use a very strong password, because if you use a very simple password, then your website can be hacked. So make sure you use a very strong and difficult password. Okay, now it is being installed. We need to wait and see that what happens. Okay, so now you can see in the installed application, we can see list of all of the installed WordPress websites. And here you can see we have one WordPress installed on this domain, and second is installed on the demo.ir stack. So, so if you click on this link, it will take you to the website. So you can see that website is working fine. The WordPress has been installed. Here you can add the WP admin to log in to your dashboard. Okay, you can see that now we are inside the dashboard and everything's working perfectly fine. So this is how you install the WordPress in the Hostinger panel. So next thing that I noticed, that it did not install the SSL certificate for us, because when I type HTTPS, then it breaks. It does not load anything, and it's saying that this site can't provide a secure connection. So that's mean there is something else. Maybe we need to install SSL from here. So here you can see that there is another option: set up lifetime SSL certificate, install unlimited number of free lifetime SSL certificate for each of your website. This is free and for lifetime. So let's click on the setup button, and here you can select the domain name that you want to use. So one of my domain was already uh, secure uh, with the help of this certificate. So that is why it is showing only one domain that is available here. Now click on the install SSL button and wait. So after it is installed, it is saying that SSL is successfully installed. So now we should be able to access this website. At this time, you can see with the HTTPS, it was showing error. And now if I reload, then it should fix that problem. Okay, great. Now you can see that your domain, your website is fully secured with the help of a free SSL certificate on the Hostinger, and the WordPress website is also working. So I think that's all I wanted to show you in this video. So Before we leave, please make sure that you already have subscribed to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification from my YouTube channel. And also, please like my video and comment and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.